since you're a film music aficionado, you realize that they're actually two different songs. Duniya Mein is a different track, and Monica is from Piya Tu Ab To Aaja. So he wanted to use both and yet add an element of his own. Parda Parda is what he came up with, which makes the song different.
Actually, you have connected both Duniya Mein Logo Ki and Piya Tu Ab To Aaja. So to give that era feel.
It's an ode to so many cabarets of the past. If you listen to Parda, you will hear the sounds of this movie. You know, the energy, the trumpets, the saxophone. It's retro, it's glam, it's fast, floods you with colors of the era, yet in a very dynamic way.
I'm sure it's going to become even more popular right now. It's going to hit the club scene in a very big way.
She got a huge piece of glass that went into her foot, but we couldn't stop. We did give her the option to take a day off, but she was aware that a lot of money had been spent.
I've had kind of a small accident, but it's okay. I hope that it turns out really good.
Are you still continuing work?
Yes, yes, I am, and in fact, I'm just opening up my dressing room. I can do a shot where my feet will be seen.
She was very brave. She took a lot of painkillers. We were in Karjat, no proper doctors, no proper hospitals. So she took a tetanus shot, took a couple of painkillers, got on with it, and she's done a wonderful job.
एक्शन जो भी होगा उसको रियलिस्टिक वे में फॉलो करेंगे क्योंकि मतलब 70s की मूवी है. केबल वर्क तो टोटली अवॉइड किया हमने क्योंकि पिक्चर की डिमांड ही नहीं थी वो.
Every action scene in this is extremely gritty, is extremely real, extremely violent. There's a barge sequence in the film where I'm beaten up.
It's a big sequence. It leads up to interval. I think Imran is spectacular in the sequence. It was the time when I think that 5.6 meter tide was to hit Bombay and we had to shoot and lights were flying off. I was worried about the most was we were all standing on metal. So with water around and the sockets not properly insulated, I was worried that somebody would get an electric shock. That was my biggest worry. We lost, I think, the first night of shooting. It was a very interesting suggestion from Ajay. He came in on the first day. He was very angry because I hadn't told him that the roads were terrible. His Mercedes had bottomed 4 or 5 times on way to location.
He's made us go to places where we would have never seen before also, and there are hardly any roads to get there.
But he said, I think you're making a mistake shooting the sequence at night because it'll never get over. So Asim and I talked about it, and I said, can we do it in the twilight? Because at least things are a little more in control. And luckily for us, the next 2 days were cloudy.
The action sequence didn't have to be slickly shot. I think it has to be very rough and very, improvised. So that's what we got from the film.
हिम्मत बताई नहीं दिखाई जाती है.
So I think it's one of our biggest successes. We pulled it off in 2 days. I've started now feeling that they're lucky because Kache Dhage had a big train sequence, Taxi had a big train sequence. This one also has a very big train sequence. Again, challenging because we had to get the train in period. We painted the whole train and made it look like it used to look in those times. Shooting with trains is tough because when you're shooting on a single track, which we wanted to, if another train has to pass, what it means is that you have to send your train back to the yard at the next station, wait for the passing train to clear, and then your train comes back. And it doesn't move like a car, it takes time to communicate to the engine driver, then he puts it into a thing and the engine moves back and moves forward, and you've got to be very, very careful about safety.
मिलन मेरा असीम का काफी हमारा डिस्कस हुआ है और हम लोग ने एक स्टोरी बोर्ड तैयार की थी कि कितने शॉट्स होंगे इसके, कैमरे की प्लेसमेंट क्या होगी जिससे वर्क हमारा फास्टर हो, उसमें टाइम वेस्ट ना हो और मतलब ट्रेन को जो हमारी जो लिमिटेशन थी, जो हमारे पास 3 दिन ट्रेन थी, तो हमको मतलब 3 दिन में ही काम खत्म करना था. तो असीम वॉज वेरी कोऑपरेटिव. उनकी टीम जो है, कैमरा टीम जो है, वो काफी मतलब सबकी मतलब कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन अच्छा था उसमें. हम लोग सब यूनिट ऐसा लगा हुआ था कि भाई हमको ये सीक्वेंस खत्म करना है. तो अजय वॉज देयर ओनली ऑन द सेट्स. इतनी गर्मी थी उस टाइम पे, लेकिन वो इतने अलर्ट थे, मतलब वहीं थे सेट पे, मतलब लोकेशन पे. तो हमारा काम भी फटाफट होता. 1 टेक आर्टिस्ट है, खुद डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं वो.
So if you see him in the sequence, it's more or less like an introduction sequence of his. So he's spectacular as usual, and it's the one sequence that establishes him as the godfather of the times.
एक्टर इतने मतलब अच्छे हैं, मतलब जो टाइम पे आते हैं. जैसे अजय यूज्ड टू कम एट 8:30 ओवर देयर. 9 o'clock हमने अपने गांव में पहला शॉट लेना शुरू कर दिया. अजय ने बोला कि मास्टर जी ये डबल यूज मत करिए, मैं खुद वो शॉट मतलब कर दूंगा. तो हमने एक बार सेफ्टी मेजर देख लिया था कि भाई ट्रेन को आगे लाके रीक कहाँ लगी है और अजय कितने डिस्टेंस पे बैठे हुए हैं. और मतलब अगर ट्रेन थोड़ा डिस्टेंस भी है, लेकिन वो ट्रेन अगर जब पास होती है तो यू गेट एक स्कैरी फील एक आती है आपकी. लेकिन अजय ने वो रिस्की शॉट मतलब खुद दिया है उसने.
I was worried in the beginning, but once I saw that all the precautions have been taken and the action director and everybody, all sensible people were around, and they told me these are the precautions taken. After that, I was free to do it. I enjoyed doing it because after a long time I've done something like this, so it was fun.